What's up, Cubs? It's Tommy Kelly back here with another food review. Today is one of my personal favorites. It's called Habibi Shawarma Grill. It is in fact inside a gas station, but as you know, do not judge a book by its cover. So today I will be showing you my chicken shawarma bowl. Basically, think of it like Chipotle, you know? You get rice, you get chicken, and then you can add as many toppings as you like, but they're all Middle Eastern toppings. So today I got the yellow rice with chicken, and then I got garlic sauce, hummus, their cucumber salad, which is like cucumber, tomatoes, and some seasoning, pickled turnips, red onion, banana peppers, and then they finish it with a little paprika. So we're gonna dig in. I'm gonna let you guys know how it is. And that's really good. You first start out with the flavor of the hummus. Just coats your palate. We're gonna get that nice acidity, the pickled turnips and the pickles. And you get some spiciness from the garlic, and it all comes together with that savory, hard flavor of the chicken. And it's really great. It's inexpensive, and it's a big, like, they don't skimp you here. They give you a lot of food. So definitely give it a try. Habibi Shawarma Grill. I'm Tommy Kelly, and thank you for watching today's food review.